Hello, this is Adil Fair. I want to give you a quick demonstration of the utility which copies data from SQL table and import using SDK into Sage50. Here you can see. Let's open invoices. So here are invoices which are already in Sage50. Now come to Sage SQL database. Here are the table invoice master and invoice detail and two views I made for my convenience. Okay, now select master. Here master data we will see invoice number starting from 8 3 and so on so forth. These are not already in our Sage50. Now let's sync it. Let's come to utility. Here is utility, and thing I want to tell you beforehand, that this utility is completing functional requirement right now. Like its GUI have to change. I will definitely change when I will deploy it on production server, because this interface will be convenient for us for deploying it. Like I can select here companies, like I am connecting it with the test company, open company, and it's connected. You can see under and at the end of this form. Okay, now sync invoices. In sync invoices I can see all invoice numbers which were in the database. So let's start from invoice number 8. Here I will say open. I will wait for 5 to 6 seconds, and here sale invoice has been saved. Again come to here, let's see what happened. Refresh. Okay, here it is, invoice number 8. Open this invoice and we will see all data. It was billed to Meditronic Corporation. It was both city sale tax and its item and everything. Invoice number same as it was in previous database. Now let's validate this information. Okay, this was invoice number 8. Okay, let's come to check. Yes, it was Medtronic Corporation, and all data is same from the database. Okay, few things I want to share you here, that this utility will give error upon syncing if customer is not defined pre-hand in Sage, or text codes or item or a salesperson. If these four things are not already present in Sage, it will give you an error. So let's come to the let's sync another invoice. I will select this. You may see the earlier invoice I synced, item invoice is not here anymore because it syncs. So this list will just show you the invoices which are not synced into Sage and are in SQL database. One more thing I can tell you, that these interfaces is totally changeable. I will get your feedback that how you want to use it. If you want to use it for all at once, like select all, or even you don't want to open these and check these, and you want to just sync all the new invoices in say in SQL and upload it into Sage. So I can do that. Well, you won't have to open this dialog box and click one by one. So it's all up to you and how you are easy with this. So it also saved a message pop up here. Now let's come here, refresh it. Okay, 3 number invoice is also here. Earlier invoice. Okay, yes, here is 3 number invoice. It's data, it's tax, it's freight. I have to combine freight rates of from two columns into one column because Sage don't allow so much too much space for these separate freights. Like one freight amount was 150 and other was 25.9, and so I summed it and put it in into one amount here. Okay, this is all. This is how it works. Okay, one more thing I would like to show you. Let's see if we have some invoice which can give us an error. No, this also synced. Maybe this one. Okay, this sent me error. Okay, reference number, customer, or by vendor. Okay, this is just because I am testing again. That's why this pop-up came. Okay, most of the data is already in system. So let's check what is the shape of this thing. So you may say, and at the top all invoices which were there and are synced into Sage50. Okay, one more thing about its accounting entry, its general ledger references, and you are already user of Sage50 and you know better that COGS accounts come from item, and so we have to define them properly when creating item in Sage50, and also sale account and AR account receivable are defaults of Sage50, so we can set them as default here. Whatever the default account will be, come will automatically come into invoice, apply into invoice. That's all.